Hello friends, welcome back to my channel IT Parivar. So guys, today I'm going to show you how to disable Internet Explorer enhanced security configuration setting on your Windows server like Windows Server 2012, 16 or any other version of the Windows server, right? So I'll show you step by step, but before going ahead I have one request. If you have not subscribed my channel, just to support me, just to motivate me, please subscribe my channel IT Parivar and click on the bell icon so that whenever I will upload the new video, you will get the notification. So just please subscribe this channel. And now let me jump on the my domain controller and let me show you how to disable the internet enhanced security settings. Right, so this is my domain server. This is my one of the Windows 2012 server. Even this is my domain controller, and let me open here my Internet Explorer. So if I am opening here the Internet Explorer, you can see Internet Explorer enhanced security configuration is enabled. It is saying so. Sometimes if you observe, like if you'll go to the Internet Explorer and open any website like google.com or any other website, right? So you will get you will get a pop-up message to close and add the sites to the trusted sites, right? I will show you which pop-up you will get. So here just to show you, I have actually on this server the internet is not connected, and there is no any internet connection on this server. Okay, so I'll show you in another way, like which pop-up or error will get on the Internet Explorer browser. So see, here I have opened the group policy management, and just to show that error, or you can say pop-up, so you can see here Internet Explorer content within this application coming from the website listed below is being blocked by Internet Explorer enhanced security configuration. So it is asking to close or add. If I'll close this, then the page will be open. So in same way, if Internet Explorer enhanced security configuration will be enabled on your server, so that pop-up will be appear for you to add the sites in the trusted site or close that pop-up, right? So just to avoid that, we disable the enhanced security configuration settings, right? So if you want to review something more about this, like, so you can go online, you can review why this should be disabled or enabled. So as per Microsoft, this is recommended to keep enabled, but as per your requirement, and if you don't want to appear that pop-up, so you can disable this setting. So to disable, you have to open the server manager on your Windows Server 2012, 16 or 19, right? So just go to the local server settings here, and you can see I enhanced security configuration on. So as we were getting the pop-up here, let me show you again. Yeah, you can see here, if I'll close or add, then this page will be open. So now let us close that. Let me close it also. Let's off it. So just you need to click on the on option. Let me show you again. Enhance security configuration, and is on. So just need to click here on the on, off, off, select it to off and say okay. Okay, now if you will open any website here, so you will not get that pop-up message. So as I have not internet connectivity here on the server, so I'll show you in another way. So earlier when it was on, so whenever we were trying to check these settings for these policies, so once we were clicking on the settings, so that message, that close and add message, pop-up message was coming. But now you can see after disable or off that setting, enhance enhance security settings, it is not like asking to close, or that pop-up is not appearing here, right? So yes, just need to say okay, and you can see that pop-up message is not coming now, right? So this is the reason. And maybe if you have any application dependency, right, or any other I-based application or browser based application dependency, or if you don't want to see that, like time and again to close whenever you are browsing the any website, right, google.com, yahoo.com, or whatever you want to browse on your server, so just you can close that, and that pop-up message will be vanished. That will not appear, or that will not come, right? So in this way you can disable or off the enhanced security configuration settings, right? So guys, I hope this video will be helpful for you. So again, I'll request you to please like, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon. Thank you so much. Bye bye.